see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Kararating lang nila galing Adelaide. And si Sak, ayan yung in-order ng daddy niyan. Oy, careful, Sak! Ah, sorry. Si Holly may pinapakita. Ayan, kami ni Kuya 12. So, 12 pieces. And, ayan. So, yung gago. Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Good morning, Holly! Si Kuya antok pa, oh. Ayan, good morning. Good morning, Bobo! I know! Ay, ang taray niya ngayon. Pangit yung gising mo. Kasi gusto niya pang nag-live ako sa Instagram. Nagpatugtog si Jan. What song was that, Zach? Ha? What song is that, honey? What's
Old Town Road.
Old Town Road. And then, gusto ni Holly paulitin ulit. Dalawang beses na inulit. Sabi ni Jan, later na lang. Kaya ayan, hindi siya masaya. Kung follower ko kayo sa Instagram na nakita nyo yon. And nagda-drive na pala kami papuntang Adelaide. And umalis kami 9 o'clock. Supposed to be dapat 8. Kaso syempre, ako na naman yung may kasalanan. Kasi lagi akong sabi ni Jan, hindi raw ako organized. Pero organized ako. Ako lang kasi nag-aasikaso sa lahat. Ilan sila? 4, diba? Tapos sila yung sarili lang nilang inaasikaso. Kaya chine-check ko, pabalik-balik ako sa bahay kung may naiwan ako. So yun. And sobrang pangit ng weather dito. Diba? Pero ayan, ang pogi. And ayan, yes? What? Oh?
When to it?
Tomorrow. I said tomorrow. And wala pa akong lipstick and moisturizer lang ang big truck. Moisturizer lang tsaka sunscreen ang linagay ko sa mukha. And bastos tong yung pimple. Andiyan pa rin siya, oh. Tiniris ko na. Alam niyo ba tiniris? Pinap ko na siya. Ang pangit tingnan, parang may kulangot. So, inano ko na talaga siya. Yun nga, tiniris ko siya. So, yun guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Say, see ya!
See ya.
Okay ka na, Baba? Say good morning!
Yeah.
Oh, okay na siya. Yan, ma'am. Nag-stop kami dito sa may Narakot. Yeah, it's Narakot, kuya. Kasi may nagpa-flashing sa car na parang orange. What's that? Oil? $1. Where's the dollar, honey? I don't have $1, hon. Here? Patay ng $1. Don't have that. $2, hon. Ayan kasi, chine-check ni Jan. Nakita na namin kasi mayroon naman na manual book. Yung is yung sa tubig, yung para yung level ng tubig sa car, hindi ko alam, basta yung level ng tubig kailangan i-pump. So yun ang sabi. So kaya nag-stop kami dito sa parang car wash. Ayan, oh. Nagpa-car wash na kami dito dati, na vlog ko din yun. And ayun si Jan. What's that, Han? Ano kaya yun? It's water.
Nice.
Sabi ni Jan, amoy daw, amoy gas.
Yep.
Yung kamay niya.
You don't.
How's your sleep? Nagnap siyang konti lang. I thought you did. Oh, you're just pretending. Huh? You had what? A little sleep. A little bit snap, Baba. Baba, put your arms. Ganyan siya pa nag-stop kami. Inaalis niya yung arms niya. Pero safe naman siya dyan. Ano yung pinagla? Ngayon, ang dala nila is yung card ng mga footy players.
Mom, are that your normal voice?
Yeah. Wow, what's my normal voice?
So you're speaking
Tagalog. This is our language.
What we talk normal in the Philippines.
What do you mean you talk normal?
Yeah.
Ang ibig niyan sabihin, yung kung anong language. Yeah, you talk normal. Oo.
At Bali too. Everywhere.
Nag-speak daw silang normal pagpunta ng Philippines tsaka sa Balang. Ibig niyan sabihin, ang language nila, yung ginagamit pa rin nila kahit saan sila magpunta. Yun ang ibig niyang sabihin.
Yeah, that's this way.
Your language. You're speaking your language. You have to learn Tagalog. Yeah. So that when you go to the Philippines, you can speak. Ayun. Nag-ano na si Jan. Tawag nun. Nahihilo na kayo. Kinarwash na rin diretso yung yung car. So yun lang. In-update ko lang kayo kung saan kami. I think na-fix na ni Jan. Ayan, tapos na siya spray ng car, tsaka mag-pump nun. And i-check niya yan. Tingnan natin kung may orange, ano pa siya. Hindi pa pala siya tapos mag-car wash. Ayan. Yan, trinay ni Jan na start yung car, pero nandun pa rin yung yung parang, yung orange ba yan? Ayan, Andiyan pa rin. So, i-check niya ulit. Nag-stop kami dito sa may, Toyota dealer or part and services. Kasi, di ba yung, sabi ko sa inyo, yung orange, nandun pa rin yung hindi naman siya nagpa-flash. Steady lang siya, parang warning. So, malayo ang biyahe namin. Sabi ni Jan, stop na lang kami dito para ipa-check ba. So, ayan, i-check ni Kuya. Ayan, i-check niya. Balik siya, start daw. Tinuturuan siya kung paano ang gagawin next time. Kasi, parang, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Balik ulit siya. Off naman. Apat niya na tong balik. I-start niya naman. Pangatlo. Okay now? Ayan, nawala na guys. Bilis lang pala. Kailangan mo lang talagang malaman kung anong gagawin mo sa car. Kasi pina-service pa lang to, di ba? Naalala nyo, dala to ni Jan sa Adelaide para ipa-service. Kaya, ayan. So, okay na. Thank you, mate. So, what happened, Han? What happened?
Huh?
Anong ginawa?
Nah, it's just a
What?
warning to let you know who's been flogging the vehicle. Because it only come on when I give it or
Dad, we should be at tea.
Oh.
shouldn't I?
And then, what?
He just unplugged it, waited 10 seconds and done all that stuff and it went.
Oh, that's it. So, you don't have to pump like what you did.
Well, that's what it was for.
Okay. Then, the second step is that. Huh? Okay. Ayan. Okay na yung car. Come on, Holly! Dito kami sa, sa Keith. Nag-stop kasi kukuha kami ng chicken. Come on, here. Hold mommy's hand. It's raining. Put your hoodie, Baba. Come on. It's raining. Umuulan. Ang lamig. Okay. I'll do it, Baba. Ay. I'll do it, Baba. Don't drop it. If you drop it, it's gonna be yucky. It's wet here. Come on. Okay. Time for mommy na. Go. Inside, go. Come on, come on. Hoy, nandito na naman kami sa famous chicken. Ito yung kay Jan. Chicken salad or ham? Ham salad, right?
Ham salad.
Okay. Ito yung kay Jan. Okay. So, ayan yung mga chicken. Ayan kay Jan. Ayan yung tatlo. Tinitingnan nila yung mga ibon doon. Huh? Okay, wash your hands. Come on. Yeah. So, eto, nag-order ako ng isang bargain box na pina-upgrade ko yung chips na $1 and kumuha ko ng 2 extra na bony chicken or ribs chicken ang tawag dito. Kasi si Kuya gusto niya raw 3. As. Here, you can have that one. Eto, 6 ang laman yan. Wait. You right, Baba? Kahugas na siya ng kamay. Ayan, si Kuya. Kinuha yung drumstick and si Zach. And si Holly, pinaghimay ko na siya, Still hot, Baba? Oo, careful. Hot, ha, hot. And eto yung favorite part ko. Ayan, Ayan, yung mga buto-buto. Ha? Yeah, it's chicken. Huh? Yeah. Huh? It's alright. Yan, tapos na kaming mag-lunch and ayan, may mga lollies na sila, oh. Pero hindi naman nila yan uubusin. Pero ito yung favorite namin. Yung pythons na, ayan. Ito, bumili si Jan ng dalawa.
Don't eat them all.
Yeah,
Right,
they're not gonna eat it all.
Here's the better.
What you have, Kuya? Let me see.
Alis
Alis na kami.
Starburst. I've got Starburst.
And Zachary, what you have?
He's got sour patty.
Oh, careful ha. Patry. Yung maasim-asim
Here's
to.
the best one.
TJ daw yung the best. Oh, I like that one.
These babies.
It's like a
These
gummy
ones,
bear.
Dad.
There is na. Come on.
What color?
Any. Harap. Maliliit lang naman
Dad,
yun.
look, are
Harap.
these better than pythons? Are these the second best?
There's Pa.
That's not part.
Back to road.
Here's the tunnel, Baba. Tunnel.
What did you say?
Knock.
Come on.
I'm hiding.
Come on.
I'm hiding.
Don't hide. Come on. Come on. It's the race. Come on. It's the race.
Kikirin mo ako! Holly.
Ay, kadal kita race. Ang bango na. Ano niluluto mo? Ang bango. Hi guys. Ay, nasira siya. Tinabang ko siya. Bayan pa siya lamang. Kayo nang close ha. Hindi na tayo. First time niyo yan makikita.
No, it's me and Zach's second time.
I heard the name Zachary and TJ.
Tapos tatlo na, so may huli na.
May Holly na. Holly. Oh, which Holly? Janito?
Holly. So we
Totoo?
changed it, Zach. This is Holly, the fighter.
Ay, ang ganda.
And then there's a white one and a black one.
This is the white one. Sino? Ikaw yan, Zach.
Who's that?
Wait, where's the black one?
Where's the black one?
He's eating the algae.
Totoo tong dahon?
Oo. Can you see him? No. At the back.
Oh, malilinis mo na yan. Hindi tulad dati nung nag-work ka pa. Guys, dito na kami.
Yes.
And pinapaw ng mga bata yung Netflix ni Tita Ray's. And si Holly, nilalaro niya na naman yung... Alam mo yung sticky namin, Ray? Ano ba kayo? Hindi pa nabubuksan.
Ano ba yan?
Kasi nakikita mo naman na every weekend nandito sila, di ba? Yung Tokyo treats nga, wala pa talaga. Napakita niya yung nails.
What color? Purple.
Ayan o, kanina pa kami dito. Nagsha-shopping pala siya. Atos.
Here's a quiz for you.
Nag-haul siya, oh.
How much?
50? 70?
80?
What do you reckon they're worth?
120?
Those file last 120?
120.
Sure.
What's yours, Ray?
90?
$47.
Oh, see?
Oh! But,
Say that in America.
yes, amount hindi ang mamahal.
I said
very
47
good.
bucks. That's what
That's a bargain.
47 lang daw yung original price, han.
Yeah, really good.
Han, what's the original price?
I know. How much is it originally?
Is it there? That one? On the side?
80.
Oh, 50%, that's good.
That's the same as them knives. Them knives I only bought them
For 70?
Yeah. And you got some jumpers as well? Do they
that's,
have holes in them?
that's Zachary.
Yung bago yung kay Zach. Pero armor na sabi ko, ano yun? Harley. I want...
And that's what's got a t-shirt.
That's cute. That matches. That one matches your shoes.
Yeah.
Gray on gray.
Hindi niya na nanitin si ano.
Golf jumper.
Yeah, that's cool.
Para kang si Curry. Yung basketball. Di ba siya, oh yeah, siya yung ano niya.
I like that color as well.
Ikaw na, so ngayon, saan ko na naman yan ilalagay? Tapos
There was there was small, medium, large, extra large.
Oh, what's that
I
one?
looked everywhere and I looked up at the mannequin. And I bought extra large.
Sa mannequin niya.
So I went to the lady and said, can you go to the bike bar and take it off? And you can go take it off for me.
Sa mannequin na pala yan.
There's no holes in this one.
No holes?
Bumili kasi siya ng bago na may butas na hindi niya nakita and then siya yung nagsolusyon.
There's heaps of kids in there too.
Kids.
Heaps of kids' clothes. Holly.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go there. Bakit kasi ikaw nag-shopping, hindi mo ako sinama?
I said I'm going to Rebel Sport. Well, I'm going to walk in there and look at things. I'm going in there to get something.
Iba. Bawal pala na pumunta doon na hindi ka bibili. Oo, kasi talaga. Siya na po ang talagang may sausage si Chef Smiler. Simple Race. Wala, hindi makakapunta si Lai, tsaka may pasyente si Pompal, may busy, si Pompal busy? Work, may work, late work siya. Pero tingnan mo naman yung handa niya. Pambuong pambuong baryo. Nilalagyan niya guys ng egg wash, diba? Request daw yan ni Dan. Kaya, syempre, nasa diet yun, pero pa nag-request yun, wag kayo. Isang upuan ni Dan, ubos ang isang tray. Tapos, masira ang diet nun. Ilan yan? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 19, hindi mo pa ito 19 talaga. 19 pieces. So 18 pieces siya. Ha? May pararating. Ikaw, sabi mo parating ka. Kanina pa kami naghihintay. Andito na siya, Upside down na siya. Matitikman ko na upside down niya. Akala ko naman nag-museum ka. Nung sinabi niya sa akin, nag-upside down si Kat. Hi, Neil! Belated.
Wala po si Day? Wala po.
Good. Happy birthday. Zach, say hi to Tito Neil. Ayan po yung chef ko.
Naka-jacket.
Neil, Tito.
Ay, marami sila ng tati,
I love you. Ay, pala sila naka-pink. Sabi ni Holly, Popo.
Purple, not pink.
Hi. Wow, pretty. Pareho pa yung tali ng buhok ng dalawa. Ang cute. How much, Neil?
Nag-shopping siya pero
How much? Guess.
50? I'm using this one over here then. If we were from home, we would have
150 sa amin.
$47.
40. 47.
Where?
Rebel.
They all like
47 siya guys,
Oh, there's just heaps of everything closed, the whole lot. I went
Siya na yung para shopping. Ang upside down ni... Ay, sorry. Nasaan ba ito? Nakita... Nice to meet you. Kasi nakita ko to last time nung... hindi pala. Sa vlog. Banana.
peanut butter
is
upside
that
down.
the...
Upside down, Han. Museum. The museum one.
What, the
Can you
real
smell
banana?
it?
Yeah, the real banana
Can you
one.
smell it, John?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah, I can smell
Is it
it.
like a cake or...
Yeah, it's a cake.
It's a cake with peanut butter and ganyan. Mahilig yan sa
That's 2
sweet.
weeks in a row. One from raisins.
Banana. Oo nga, banana din sa kanya. Banana bread. Nukontra nila ako, guys. Ayaw nila maniliwala na galing akong Singapore. Galing akong Singapore.
Mas yung nandito dahil pa sa iba-iba rin dyan.
Kapal ang buhok mo, no?
Yung akin, ito lang.
Oh! What? Kawawa na ito talaga.
May tao?
Nagluluto sila ng togi na spring roll, tapos spaghetti, tapos may laing akong dala. Manghang yan as in. Ayaw mo ng sobrang anghang? Gusto ko. Sasabot ang bunanga mo.
Nagluto ka ba? Nagdala ka pa?
So, yan para sa lahat.
Mamaya pa yun.
Hi, Tito Dan! Dito na si Dan! How are you? Tito Dan! Tito Dan! Ayan. Parang,
Ay, nag-golf pala yan. Uy,
si Dan?
sa driving range?
Ay, wow, hindi niya si...
Di ba hindi na nadala sa driving range?
Nag-driving range siya? Oo, pumayat na siya, ano? Oo, parang lumipis na yung likod niya.
Kanina na, sa ano na niya yung...
Ito, 1 minute is 1. Sige, push mo yan.
25 minutes video. 10 minutes upload.
No, Bino. Mas mabilis mo sa amin.
25 minutes video.
Oh, parang? Mine? Oh my God, 5 hours.
We're not okay.
But because I changed the platform, I made it slow my, my internet.
What's that?
That's Tito Dan. Chris. Tito Dan, you lose weight, Dan.
Yeah, she's starving me.
Oh my God! Ang payot nila talaga kayo. Ginugutom siya. No, you're just eating healthy food.
Eating healthy.
Yes.
Still eating plenty of food, just...
But today it's not. Because you're
no, the weekends are really bad. Yeah, cheap. Ollie.
Kaya nga, ibenta
I told you. Di ba very crispy?
Kaya ako nga kayo pinapunta kayo maglako niyan.
Kami daw maglako, oh. Ito, oh. Hindi ta kasi siya puputo, kinilalabas talaga yung
Malaki?
Oo, yung malaki. Guys, nagdadalawang isip sila kung lulutuin ba nila lahat or what. Lutuin lahat para hindi maggutom si Kathy.
Uy, paano ko i-heat up?
I-heat up lang yan. Wait. Oo, maganda yung kulay, no? West Eagle si suit niya, si Dan Pork Power. O, diba? Sila lang talaga. Ayan yung si Kuya. Ayan kay Kuya, your spaghetti. Wait, Baba. How's the spaghetti? Good?
Mom, Auntie guys,
Oh?
can you change that?
What?
Didn't use salt.
What?
He never used salt. I washed my hands. No, he just washed his hands and he went.
Oh. See, you don't lie. Wash your
I
hands.
did wash my hands. No, he didn't. My hands are wet. He didn't use.
The point is, success, you have to wash it with soap.
I did.
Okay, good job, Zaki boy. Kuya, next time you have to wash your hands with soap.
I just want to on that board because I can't find any salt.
Okay.
It's hot. It's hot. Be careful. Si Holly man.
Ayan, kain na sila. Ayan na yung sausage. Ayan siya si Veronica. Hi, Baba! Ayan si Holly. Ayaw niya na yung gamitin yung bib. Kasi big girl na daw siya. Ayan si Jan. Coke, Han? Coke? Not yet? Okay. So si Kuya, naubos niya yung buong ano.
She wants fruit box.
Wait, Baba. Yan nga. Hoy, ang dami mo dyan, ha? Ito na naman siya, oh. Ito. Parang lagi siya nauubos. What's that? Wipes? Tapos na yung boys and kami naman. Ayan, dinala ko yung luto, yung tira ng laing. Freezer ko siya that night din. And then, ayan, spring rolls, sausage rolls, chicken from Keith. Yung namin to, yung tira namin nung nag-lunch kami. So, dinala ko, oh. Tapos, in-air-fry ko. Ayan, crispy na siya ulit. Ang ingay namin dito, guys. Sorry. Dalawa. Mapaparami ang ulam mo, ang kain mo niyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, puputok ko nga nyo.
Hindi naman mga bata nito.
Hindi. Sino? Si Holly. Ang mami ko. Wala pag yung dito dyan. Pero sobrang ang kinakain nyo.
The pursuit was terminated.
Okay, pakunti-kunti lang. Isa kayo na ano, stock, may ano, may labuyo. Ano lang siling ginamit dito? Ano yan? Kasi yung siling kasi nila na parang siling pang siling. Ano ba ito? Parang manamis yung siya. Ako manamis lang.
We know they work, they're used to work. Some officers here who recent shootings by
Sa may pito.
Lalaro na naman yung pinakamalaking bata eh. Kaya nga. Ingay-ingay ko na.
Bahala kayo dyan.
It's now the hands of the police commissioner. Police
Oh, ito nagkana ka ng carpet ha. Nagdaan ka na
Diba? Nakakaano? Puso natin dyan.
$1 allocated in the upcoming budget, so that could mean another year of this. Every police spending line when the state budget.
dito man lang sila sa bahay. Ano lang sila?
Ako talaga ako na siya nakalala. Tapos mo yung takbo-takbo mo dyan.
Parang siya nasa labas ng running.
Kaya nga. Kala niya siguro playground.
Kaya siguro talaga yung kambal nila. Yung laging bawal ganyan.
Asawa na po yan. Ulit? Ang anghang din ng ating ulan. Kaya nga, ito sarap.
Nagka-double po.
Hindi mo na makakain. Hindi mo na makakain na yan.
Di ba kung sila siya parang dami? Lima? Sarap. Masarap. Masarap. Sarap. Malaki na malaki. Namili si Jan ng coffee niya. Tapos ice cream para sa upside down na dessert ni Kat. And bumili siya ng thick and cream. Where's the ice cream, man? Where's the... I'm the... What ice cream? Vanilla? Dessert na kami, guys. Tapos na. And ito na yung upside down ni Kat. Matitikman na natin. Sarap yan. Ayun si Jan, naghihintay na kanina pa. Ayan. Ayan na yung dessert, guys.
Umiyak ang kanyang anak.
Umiyak. Iniwan niya. Kasi umiyak si Veronica. Ayan.
Tingnan niyo yung upside down cake ni Kat. Iba daw yung flour na ginamit niya. Self-raising
Oo,
flour.
self-raising flour daw.
Dami niya.
Ano, what happened? Holly, what? What happened, Baba? Ito na yung kay Jan. Oh. Honey. Oh, dito raw siya. Oh, go with Daddy. Chocolate what? It's not chocolate. Yan sana yan. Kasi may paborito siyang dessert what's that, huh? What do you call the restaurant? Yeah, Outback sa Glorieta. Yeah. Yeah, Glorieta. Aussie dessert, yeah. Aussie restaurant.
Hopefully you like that, John.
Yeah. Wait na. Yes, please. Good. tingnan nyo yung dalawa. Pinairam ng tito din nila yung malalaki nilang stuffed toys. Oh. Mas malaki pa sa mga bata. Oh. Ang cute. Nababounce talaga siya. Ang cute. Skato kami, guys. Ayan. Malubat na ako. Sana wag mo kayo maglobat, oy. So, akin talaga. So, akin guys yung pinakamalaki.
Hindi ko naabot yung ganun.
Okay. Yun pala yung ano niya, rason. Hindi niya naabot. Alis na si Kat. Thank you, Kat. Thank you sa yung upside down, guys. May upside down siya, oh.
Mamatay na yung phone. Ay, phone camera.
Mag-camera ko, mama. Thank you, Neil. See you again. Yeah, good to see you.
Upside down.
Si Neil ba ang gumawa, guys? So, follow mo yung recipe niya, upside down.
The upside down cake.
The upside down. Parang, ano ba yung kanta?
Uptown girl.
Uptown girl. Sorry. Uptown girl.
Alis na sila.
Bye, guys. Outfit na. Baby B, where are you?
Wala, nauna na.
Nauna na. Say bye. Bye. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Labi na.
Oh, yeah. Say bye. Alis na sila.
How's your car?
Jess Bueno.
Jess Breno.
Camille Roberto.
Camille Roberto.
Risa Saigo.
Risa Saigo.
Charlene
Charlene
Subrab.
Subrab.
Mara Clara Isip.
Mara Clara Isa. Don't forget our hashtag tribute to watch. Bye.
Ready for run? Yeah. Do you want to buy that? Wow. Let me see what color is that one.